Good morning, children, and welcome to our GK class. We will enhance our general knowledge from the book KidWiz, A Step to Know the World. But before that, let us know why is it important to study general knowledge as a subject. First, GK keeps you updated. It develops better decision-making skills. It develops your personality and competitive spirit. It also helps you to keep up with the latest trends. So today we would be doing the page 1, that is, in the name of God, under the category language and literature. We call God by various names. A variety of adjectives are used for gods and goddesses. Read carefully the given clues and write suitable adjectives starting with the prefix omni in the space provided. So certain clues are given to you on the left hand side, and on the right hand side a prefix omni is given to you. I hope you know what is a prefix. A prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change the meaning or to make a new word. So here, prefix omni is used. Omni means in all ways or places. So the first one is present everywhere. We often say that God is everywhere, the word for which is omnipresent. Second, God is all powerful, that is omnipotent. God knows everything, that is omniscient. Total, omnium. God is parent of all, that is omniparent. Coming to the B part, O God is a common explanation we often use. Given below in column A are some words. Match them with their correct meaning given in column B. First one is God willing. God willing is used to express the wish that you will be able to do as you intend. For example, God willing, I will finish my degree this year. So God willing here means hopeful of good times ahead. Second, God sent. God sent means a desirable or needed thing or event that comes unexpectedly. For example, the widespread rain was a godsend for farmers. So God sent here means a good help or opportunity. Third, God-fearing. A God-fearing person is religious and behaves according to the moral rules of their religion. So God-fearing means a very religious person. Fourth, godlike or godly. Godlike means someone having the qualities of God. So godlike means having great qualities. Last is God's gift. God has gifted some people with special abilities and they are known as God gifted. So God gift means inborn skill or talent. Coming to the second page, the title of the page is Terrific Twos. So many new words in English have been formed out of need in modern life. Complete the following words formed from terrific two situations given. The first one has been done for you. A documentary and a drama is together known as docudrama. Breakfast and lunch together is known as brunch. Smoke and fog together is called smog. A picture and an element is known as pixel. An electronic mail is known as email. A situation in a comedy is sitcom. A kid's video, kidvid. A camera and a recorder together are known as camcorder. Information and commercial, infomercial. Education and entertainment, edutainment. Next is page number 3 under the title Word Pyramid. Prefix and suffix both are used to make a number of words. Given below are the two word pyramids to make use of prefix and suffix. Now we already know what is a prefix. Suffix is just the opposite. Suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a word to change the meaning or make a new word. As you can see in pyramid A, the prefix pre is used and certain clues are given on the right hand side and you have to guess the word. The first one is done for you. The clue is to mix beforehand, which means pre-mix. Second, to pay beforehand is prepaid. To make ready is to prepare. To record beforehand is To pre-record. Stage of life before school is known as preschool. To prevent harm is precaution. Similarly, in pyramid B, the suffix tion is given and certain clues are given on the right hand side. The first one has been done for you. A choice is known as option. A country is nation. A relative is a relation. A place can be a position. To solve is to find a solution. To simplify is called simplification.